Another beautiful dried result. Check out these colors. They are amazing. They're bright. They're so vibrant. Guys, today's video is all about the blooms. I do hope you guys stick around to the end and enjoy today's video. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm doing a bloom. Actually, I'm doing a bunch of blooms on a split color base. So as you can see, the color is green, like lime green and white, and I'm using the house paint for the base. So I'll be doing the bloom technique. So here I am just pouring some puddles of colors, and then I'll be using my mouth to blow it out. Guys, if you need to know the colors I'm using, just go ahead and check my description box below. All the colors will be listed in my description box. You guys can always go ahead and check that out. And of course, the ingredients, how I mix my paint, all of the fun stuff is also listed in the description box below. I want to say welcome everyone, and of course, if you're new and you do enjoy today's content, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a new video. And for all my returning viewers, thank you so much for being here. I love you all. You guys are my biggest supporters, and of course I can't do this without you all. You know, you guys help to keep my channel to grow. So stick around guys to the end. Stay tuned for the close-up of the wet result and of course the dried result at the end. Don't go away guys. Stay tuned. Thanks. Wow, I'm just loving it, guys. I'm loving the colors. Beautiful blooms, beautiful how I wrecked it with my skewer. I'm just loving it. It looks like a bunch of rose buds, or just a bunch of roses. It's just amazing. The colors are beautiful. I love it. I want to give a shout out to Sharmin Can. I do get inspiration from her to do this today's painting, this cool design. Thank you, Sharmin. You're a beautiful artist. And of course, guys, here is the dried result. It dried well. Oh my gosh, I love it. I decided to put it in a frame just to enhance the colors a bit. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section below. I would really do appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Like, share with your friends and family, guys. And I want to say thank you so much. Check out my playlist, and I will see you guys next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.